You are welcome back to my channel. My name is Lukman, and in this video I'm going to be showing you quickly how you can use natural ingredients on the 18th and 27th of September to attract favor, to break away from hardship and difficulties. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Welcome back. I did a video previously talking about 9th of September. I call it the secret formula of 999. That is 999. In that video, I talk about using salt. Just write 9 on salt on the 9th of September, and you are using that water, that salt, pour it into your water, and you are using it to take your bath on by 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. on that same day. That is the 9th of September. But for one reason or the other, so many people missed that video. And I remember in that video, I talk about the other days that you can use the recipe. I'm going to be linking the video in the description, as well as the comment section, so that others can go quickly. If you have not watched that, then you are in luck. You missed it for one reason or the other, you are also in luck. You can do it this time around. So it's the same thing that we did with that 9th September, writing 9 on the salt on the 9th of September and using it to take your bath on by 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. It's the same thing we are going to do. But this time, we are not doing it on the 9th because 9th has passed. We are going to be doing it on the 18th and 27th. It is simple what we do. In numerology, if you look at the word 18th, 18th is 1 plus 8. It is 18. 1 plus 8. If you add that together, it will give you 9. Then on the 27th, if you add 2 plus 7 together, it's going to give us 9 again. So if you miss the 9th, then you have not missed totally. You can still take advantage of the 18th and 27th. You know, I've explained what 18th and 27 means in numerology. Nature has blessed us with numbers. Nature has blessed us with number, and the Almighty, the creator of the whole universe, loves us so much. That is why He gave us 9th. He also gave us, in a particular month, we have 3 9ths. Now, 2 plus 7, 27, that is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 1 plus 8 is also 9. So, if for one reason or the other, you missed the one for 9th, and the one for 18, and the one for 9th, you can do it on the 18th, and you can do it on the 17th. It's still signifying the same thing. I'm not going to be talking much on this recipe. I just want to call your attention to it. So, you can do it 18th, and at the same time, you do it on the 27th. And for those who have done 1, that is the one for 9th, you can still do 18th and you can still do 17th. I have seen a lot of people, they've given testimony, both the one that told me voice note and the rest, they've given a lot of testimony that the one for 9th they did on the 9th really works, and they're already saying that they won't miss the one for 18th and 27th. In case you don't know, September is the 9th month, is the 9th month of the year. That is the 9th month of the year. So you are doing something on the 9th, in the 9th month of the year, and you are doing it, you are writing 9, and you are doing it by 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. You can see this is very powerful. This is very powerful. Even without telling you, you know this is very powerful. God designed it that way. God has really blessed us. And I told you, if you do this, then you'll be protected, you'll be saved, you'll be saved from hardship, you'll break through from difficulties, and you'll now be confronted with success, especially in this month and the rest of the year. We are in the Ember month, and in the Ember month, you know how the things are. Things are generally somehow you spend a lot of money. At the same time, there are so many security issues. There are so many hardship during that time. A lot of people will be saving for money. You once you do this, all these roadblocks that you've been having from January to this moment, you clear it, and you now attract a lot of success. And like I said, I'm not going to be discussing because I've already done the video. Just seize the opportunity to go and watch the video again. And you have watched it, go and watch it again. We are going to be using just three things. Number one, we are using salt. That is the salt you are going to write your 9. And you are not writing 18 or 27, you are still writing 9. Because 1 plus 8, I said, is 9. 2 plus 7 is also 9. So you are writing 9. So you get a plain piece of paper, something like this, a plain that nothing is written on it, a plain paper. You spread the salt and you write the word 9. And you'll be using, just miss it, you pray on it. You do not necessary prayer on it. Check the video, the one I did on the night, for full detail. You pray on it, everything, all the things you don't want and the things you want, you just pray on it the way you know how to pray. You can use any language to pray. Then you pour it into your water, bathing water, and you are using it on the night. You are using it by 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. This is very straightforward, except you don't watch the video. If you watch the first video, then it will be easier for you to do this. Like I said, it's very simple. You are needing 3 ingredients. 1, you are needing salt, and this time white salt. The only salt you cannot use is black or pink. Anything white, it can be sea salt, it can be cooking salt, it can be Malayan salt. Once it is white, you can use it. Then you have a plain paper. You pour the salt on the plain paper. Then your finger, the middle finger is what you are using. You just write 9. The middle finger, this finger is what you are using. You use it to write 9 on it, and you pour it into your bathing water and use it to bathe by 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. It's as simple as that. I've lined up a lot of videos talking about numerology. I want to discuss a bit about numerology, that the uses of number and the power of numbers to fast track things, to attract things to yourself. Most of us are bad days. They are numbers and they have meanings in spirituality. So we are going to be discussing that. I've lined up videos. If you don't want to miss those videos, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe so that you'll be the first person to know. Make sure you subscribe. And for those who are subscribed, make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comments, share this video to so many others so that this video can get a lot of people. And until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can actually succeed together. Thanks.